In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the dark mode and light mode. So for this tutorial, I'm following this blog that I wrote in the past. So just please follow along. So the first thing first is that we have to create a new decorator. So come under the storybook, and after that, create the mode decorator. Copy this source code. You can find this source code in my GitHub page. The next thing is that we have to go to the preview.ts. On the preview.ts, we have to add these two lines of code. The first one is that we have to import the code just now we added, okay? And after that, we have to export the decorator. This is done. And the last thing that it is that we have to just configure the Tailwind, okay? For configuring the Tailwind, you come to here and just you add the dark mode, okay? So everything nicely done. So now if you come to the to this place, you can do the dark mode and light mode.